weakness and gray hair. Something amazing is when you are young and you are perhaps an infant, you are weak. You depend on people to do your things, and the people around you do it happily. The parents will take you to the doctors happily. If you happen to be sick, they will carry you, they will lift you, they will perhaps move you from point A to point B, they will feed you, they will change your nappies. Everything happens happily, and every day the one who did all this for you will keep on telling, will keep on asking Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, oh Allah, grant this child of mine good health, grant this child long life, let the child this and let the child that. And do you know, when you grow very old, what might happen? May Allah protect us all. We become dependent on someone once again. Maybe it's the same child that we looked after when they were little kids, and now when we are old they feel lazy to look after us. So they say, oh, I took my dad to the hospital, oh, I've been holding my mother, I carried my mother, I fed, I did this and I did that. So many different things. And at the end of the day, in the heart, one asks a question: when is this going to end? Allahu Akbar. May Allah safeguard us. I hope it doesn't happen to us, but people have said, you know what, shaitan does come in and says, you know, how long am I going to carry on with this paralyzed mother of mine? May Allah protect us all.